The roofing process begins with an initial consultation. During this meeting, the roofer will discuss your needs, budget, and timeline. It's crucial to ask for proof of licensing and insurance to ensure you're dealing with a reputable contractor. This step sets the foundation for a successful roofing project by establishing clear communication and expectations. Next, the roofer conducts a thorough inspection of your current roof. This involves checking for damage, leaks, and structural issues. They may also assess the attic and ventilation system. This detailed assessment helps in identifying any underlying problems that need to be addressed before the new roof installation begins, ensuring a long-lasting result. After the inspection, the roofer will provide a detailed proposal. This document outlines the scope of work, materials needed, estimated costs, and project timeline. It's essential to get multiple quotes to compare overall value, not just price. Make sure to understand the warranty and guarantee offered. This proposal serves as a roadmap for the entire project. Selecting the right materials is a critical step in the roofing process. The roofer will recommend options based on your budget, climate, and aesthetic preferences. High-quality materials ensure durability and longevity. Always ask about the types of materials used and their benefits. This choice impacts the performance and appearance of your new roof. Before any work can begin, necessary permits must be obtained. The roofer will handle this process, ensuring compliance with local building codes and regulations. This step is vital to avoid any legal issues down the line. Proper permitting guarantees that the roofing project meets all safety and quality standards. Once permits are secured, site preparation begins. This involves removing the old roofing material, protecting landscaping, and setting up safety measures. Preparing the site ensures a clean and organized workspace, minimizing disruptions to your daily routine. It also allows the roofer to start with a clean slate, ensuring the new roof is installed correctly. The core of the roofing process is the installation itself. This step includes laying down underlayment, installing shingles or other roofing materials, and ensuring proper ventilation. The roofer will follow the plan meticulously, paying attention to detail to ensure quality workmanship. This phase is crucial for the roof's overall performance and durability. After installation, a final inspection is conducted to ensure everything meets the agreed-upon standards. Any issues are addressed promptly. The site is then thoroughly cleaned, removing all debris and equipment. This final step ensures your property is left in pristine condition, and you can enjoy your new roof with peace of mind. For affordable roofing solutions, call us at 617-238-6007.